anxiety, depression, acidity, cancer, arthritis, obesity. Oh, we just use these words like we say, I ate and I drank. Don't you agree? Mm-hmm. They're so common now, basically. It has to be this way. People are taking pills after pills after pills. I get clients continuously because they are on multiple medications, and multiple times. People are taking 10, 15 medication at a time. People even forget basically how many times they have to take the medication, and just to take the medication they are taking medications. So healing the body is absolutely only solution is offered most of the time is chemicals, and we are just ingesting chemicals after chemicals. In this program, one important thing we try to find is the single root cause, which is to look within. Look within, and the single cause be the stress. Because generally, whenever we are always exposed to stress, our body goes into making stress hormones. As we make a stress hormones, our whole nervous system or whole body gets into the program where it's only trying to address stress. And that's where we suffer on digestion, and that's where we suffer on immunity. We go to doctors, we go to multiple doctors. I'm saying counselor, this doctor, GI tract doctor, neurology doctor, this doctor, that doctor. But eventually, it's just a symptom-based approach, and I'm just not feeling good. And I just see these clients stuck again and again and again. They come to me saying, doctor, I'm just stuck. So this is wonderful example I want to give here. This lady, 15 years of fibromyalgia, and continuously pain, aches. And when she started working on this integrative natural healing program, just on 3rd day of therapy, she stopped medication which was using 15 years, which was not even helping her, like codeine-like medication. And she's so happy because fibromyalgia is autoimmune condition. They don't have answer. They just give you pill, painkiller.
I just got out of a workshop with Lena Thacker. She is an expert. She's a doctor of Ayurvedic medicine. She helps so many people with her treatments in her clinic. I was really amazed at the conditions that she works with and how she could even work with people with back pain.
First, let me introduce you myself. So how I become a natural holistic healer. A toddler, 1.5-year-old girl. So as I was playing, I got a tick bite. Suddenly, I got all the abscess on my body. I was taken to doctors for 2 weeks, best of the best physicians, best of the best pediatricians, but nothing was helping. And doctor said she's going to die. Yes, they say I was going to die. At that point, my dad said in 2 hours, I'm taking her out of all these conventional strategies, and just took me to a farm. And you will not believe, in a week, after 2 weeks of best conventional treatments and doctors, when I was taken to the farm, in just 2 weeks, I was completely healed. No medication, just soil, water, earth at the farm. I owe my life to natural wellness healing. So I chose my career path since then. Last 22 years, I'm actually working on this, offering natural wellness healing, basically. And now you see, the girl who was going to die actually is having wonderful family, my husband, my son. So now I'm going to share today a program for natural healing. This is the only program that has been successful actually joining conventional medicine program in the country. In the country. So more doctors are supporting this program every day. Last 5 years, 40 doctors actually took treatments at our office, and obviously they are recommending it. 40 doctors taking their own programs with our program.
With all of the controversy we have in our society today around medicine, you got to check out Dr. Lena, because she can help you get better, get over your disease, clean up your health without any pills. Can you imagine? And I know in my heart of hearts that the natural way to get back to health is the way to go.
When I heard about how many doctors really supported the work that she does, that made me want to work with her even more. You definitely want to bring her in to speak. She's so knowledgeable, and I really enjoyed every bit of her presentation. I actually caught myself kind of leaning forward when I was listening to her, because I learned so many new things about health that I was unaware of before.
I'm Doris Milton, and I'm president of Healthcare Career Growth. And I just had the phenomenal opportunity of listening to Dr. Lena. I was especially interested because I've been in nursing in the healthcare industry for about 50 years now, and I've been an expert in integrative nursing for 40 of those years. And I was so impressed to hear Dr. Lena talk about the natural ways that we can use to both get well and then stay well. So I encourage anyone who's considering a speaker in this area to have Dr. Lena come in, both for her knowledge and her obvious compassion.
She's amazing and very knowledgeable.
I just sat in and listened to Dr. Lena talk about wellness. Oh my gosh, she captivated me. She is so inspirational. I'm super excited to start working with her.